Today's video is going to be going over odd and even number with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So what is the counting rule? When you count even numbers, there's a pattern in the ones digits. For example here, if you count 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16, and looking at the number line here, you go all the way up to 32, you'll see that all the numbers in the ones digit are even. Do you notice a pattern in the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and onward? Well, again, if you look in the ones digit, all those numbers are odd. So let's go ahead and take a look at these two numbers down here. And 315, if we follow the counting rule, what is 315 going to be? Odd or even? The number is going to be odd. And if we look at 702, what will that number be? The number is going to be even. So what is an odd number and what is an even number? Sort the numbers below into a list of odd numbers and even numbers. So we're just going to take these numbers here and put them in the odd or even part on this chart. So for the first odd number, we'll do the odds first. So for the first odd number, we're going to use 287, then we're going to do 903, and then we're going to do 699. For the even numbers, we're going to put 806, then we'll put 34, and then we'll put 552. And I have to keep emphasizing, you've got to look in the ones digits here for the odd numbers to show you that they're odd. For the even numbers, you're going to look at the 6, the 4, and the 2, and those will tell you that those are even. For the bonus activity, you're going to sort the numbers below into a list of odd numbers and even numbers. So you've got these numbers here, and just place them in the correct part. Are they odd or are they even? And I will leave a link for the answer key in the description down below so you can see how you did. So that's today's video, and as always, I really appreciate you spending part of your day here with me and watching my videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.